Space is not just big, it is extremely strange. And today, you are going to hear 25 unbelievable facts that will blow your mind. Let us start with this. Did you know that space smells like burnt steak? Astronauts have said that when they remove their helmets after a spacewalk, they smell something smoky and metallic. Our sun is so large, you could fit about 1 million Earths inside it. Yes, 1 million Earths. Here is something strange. There is a planet made completely of ice. But it is on fire. That is because of the intense pressure inside it. Now, before we share the most unbelievable black hole fact, please like and subscribe so we can keep exploring the universe together. Alright, black holes are so powerful. They can actually bend time. If you fall into one, time would slow down for you, just like a science fiction movie happening in real life. Jupiter has a storm that has been spinning for more than 300 years. That red spot you see is actually a giant hurricane bigger than planet Earth. There is a star out there that is larger than the entire orbit of Saturn. And yes, it is real. And guess what? Space is not totally silent. There are sound waves that travel through hot gas and galaxies. Scientists at NASA even turned them into sounds you can hear. Here is something really surprising. On Venus, it actually snows metal, and the mountains there shine like gold. Saturn's moon Titan has rivers and lakes, but they are not filled with water. They are filled with liquid methane, which is a freezing cold gas. Astronauts actually get taller in space. Without gravity pulling them down, their spine stretches by about 2 inches. There is a planet called WSP-12b that is slowly being eaten by its star. Bit by bit, it is disappearing. And here is something truly unbelievable. On Neptune and Uranus, scientists believe it rains diamonds. Yes, real diamonds falling from the sky. Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour, but you do not feel it because everything around you is moving at the same speed. There are galaxies so far away that their light has not even reached us yet. That means there are things in space that we have never seen. Now, this one is really strange. There is a floating cloud in space that smells like rum. It is filled with alcohol. You can cry in space, but your tears will not fall. They just stay on your face in little floating bubbles. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth, about 1 inch every year. Someday, it will look smaller in the sky. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on planet Earth. That is a huge number. There is a planet called HD 189733b that rains glass sideways because of extremely powerful winds. Mars has the tallest mountain in the entire solar system. It is called Olympus Mons, and it is more than twice as tall as Mount Everest. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. That is because the planet rotates very slowly. There is a giant hexagon-shaped storm on the North Pole of Saturn that scientists still do not fully understand. Earth has magnetic fields that protect us from dangerous solar radiation. It works like a giant invisible shield. And finally, light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. So when you look at the sun, you are actually seeing 8 minutes into the past.